Sahaja is not merely a physical place. It is your inmost being, your real place, your spiritual home.
Nothing on this earth or even the heavenly realms can overcome you once you know who you are. This is the possibility, the power, the availability and invitation of satsang. These days here should probably be the most important days in your life for what you stand to discover about yourself. Freedom is not something that requires a technique. It is very simple. It is very simple. Satsang is such a dynamic and alive encounter, exchange, that you will come to discover these things as we go. We are living with many ideas about how life should be, who you should be, what you should want, what others people think of you, ideas, you see? Thoughts, believed. What may have taken you 10 years to get beyond, it may get flushed out in a day or two. Yeah. You will discover more and more that you have now the power to bring a chaotic state of mind back into harmony. It will be the most freeing, most beautiful, most joyous discovery you're making. You have not come here just to wake up your bad mind, but to transcend its influence and to be the heart that is the light of this world.
नहीं पूजा की शक्ति है मेरा यमन मेरा यातन मेरा कंगन समर्पित है मेरे गुरुदेव चरणों सुमन श्रद्धा के अर्पित है
It is not in my heart that even one of you should fall behind into states of delusion. You did not make a mistake to come, but your ego made a big mistake. Right here, as you are, in this body even, in this life, in this moment, the truth is here in you. And the facility to find it, everything is here. The presence of the Holy Spirit of truth is here. And it is totally on your side. Because if you have come here, you can make it all the way. somewhere in here, in the compost field of satsang, is the seed of the Buddha. Let's see what sprouts from this. As from this moment, we declare this silent retreat open.